If you've been wanting a DX Commander Classic, the time is now. We've got a Black Friday sale going on from now, November 20th, through Sunday, November 26th, or really until supplies last. The DX Commander Classic, which is usually 299 pounds, is now on sale for 240 pounds, plus free shipping. That is incredible. There's only 100 of these total to give away, spread out between myself, Ham Radio 2.0, Ham Radio Crash Course, and Ham Radio DX. We've all got a link for 25 each. Now here's the deal. Whoever sells out first, which will be me, gets to give away a DX Commander at the end of this. So obviously, I'm the biggest DX Commander fan in the world. Callum, I'm your biggest fan. So use my link first. If that gets exhausted, then use Ham Radio Crash Course or Ham Radio DX. So long as Ham Radio 2.0 is last, because he has never built a DX Commander, I'll be happy. So here's a little note from Callum.
Mike, my old buddy, thank you so much for playing along with this. Now, the last time we did this, Mike, you won it, right? You were the first to sell out, but we are offering a DX Commander Classic this time for Black Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's normally $269 plus shipping, which is about $400, okay? But we're offering it £240, free shipping worldwide. It's an unbelievable deal. That should come out about 300 US. All right, might be 305, it might be 295. I can't remember. We're trying to get it about 300 US. I can't trim even another penny off that. This is a one. The next time we do a deal, anything like this, it'll be in a couple of years' time. So if you're after a classic and you want to build it over Christmas or whatever, then link in the description. Don't go to the DX Commander website and expect to buy the regular classic, because you'll end up being charged not only a lot more money, but you'll be paying shipping as well. So you only use the special links, okay? You can buy it off my friend Mike here, Josh, Jason, and Hayden are selling it as well. And I've got my own link too. Let's see who wins. All right, Mike, back to you, mate. All the best. Top banana.
So there you go, guys. The time is now. Don't wait. Last time we did this on Easter, these went out in a matter of about an hour. They were gone. Get your DX Commander now and have a happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time on Ham Radio Tube 73.
I'll be right with you then. Can I finish this?
Yeah.
I'm actually recording right now.
Okay.
What? Let's... Well...